Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you want to speak English fluently one day? Do you feel shy when you try to talk? Do you think, my English is not good enough, I make mistakes, people will laugh? If yes, my friend, stay with me. Today's episode is very special. The title is The One English Story You Need to Fluent Speaking. This is not just any story. This is the one story that can change how you speak English. It is long, easy, full of real, everyday words, and full of sentences you can copy and use in your life. The language is simple, A1 to A2 level, but the story teaches you how fluent speakers think and talk. Listen carefully. Repeat sentences out loud. Feel the story in your heart. Because fluent speaking is not about big words. It is about using small words again and again, feeling comfortable, making mistakes, and continuing. And most important, enjoying English. Before we start, let me tell you why this is the one story. Many students come to me and say, Uma, give me one magic trick for fluency. I always say, there is no magic pill, but there is one magic story. If you listen to it many times, repeat it, tell it to others, your mouth starts moving in English naturally. This is that story. Now, relax. Take a deep breath. Imagine a girl like you or me. Here is the one English story you need to fluent speaking, called The Girl Who Was Afraid to Speak. Once upon a time, in a small town in India, there lived a girl named Simran. Simran was 24 years old. She studied in college. She was very smart. She read English books. She watched English videos. She understood almost everything. But when someone asked her, Simran, speak in English, she became quiet. Her face became red. Her hands became cold. She said, "No, my English is very bad." Simran had a big dream. She wanted to get a good job in a big company. In the interview, they always ask, tell us about yourself. Why do you want this job? What are your strengths? Simran knew the answers in her head, but her mouth did not open. She thought, if I make one mistake, they will think I am not good. One day, her best friend Ria said, Simran, come with me to English Speaking Club. Every Sunday, people meet and talk. No teacher, just friends. Very easy. Simran said, no, Ria, I cannot. I am too shy. Ria said, please try one time. If you don't like, never come again. Promise. Simran thought and thought. Finally, she said, okay, one time only. Sunday came. Simran wore simple clothes. She took bus to the club. Her heart was beating very fast. Boom, boom, boom. She reached the room. 10 people were there. Boys, girls, some older, some younger. Everyone smiled. The leader, a nice uncle, said, hello, everyone. Today we talk about anything. No rules, just speak. Simran sat in the corner. She did not speak. She only listened. People talked about food, movies, family, travel. One boy said, I like pizza, but Indian food is best. Everyone laughed. Simran smiled a little. After 1 hour, the uncle said, now everyone must say one sentence, anything. Simran's turn came, all eyes on her. She felt scared, but she remembered Ria's words. Just one sentence, that's all. Simran took a deep breath. She said very slowly, my name is Simran. I like reading books. Everyone clapped. Good job, Simran. Nice voice. Thank you for sharing. Simran felt warm inside, not hot from shame, warm from happiness. Next Sunday, she came again. This time, she said 2 sentences. My name is Simran. I like reading books and I like music also. More clapping, more smiles. Week by week, Simran spoke more. First 1 sentence, then 2, then 3. Then a small story. Last week, I went to market. I bought vegetables. The shopman was very kind. He gave me extra tomatoes. People listened. People asked questions. What vegetables? Which market? Simran answered slowly. Sometimes she made mistakes. I go market instead of I went to the market. But no one laughed. They said, good try. Keep going.
One day, Simran told a longer story. When I was small girl, I was very shy. I never talk in class. Teacher said, Simran, read loud. I was scared. But one day my mother said, Beta, speaking is practice, like riding bicycle. First you fall, then you learn. So I started small. Now I am here. Everyone said, wow, Simran, beautiful story. Your mother is right. Simran smiled big. Her face was not red anymore. Months passed. Simran spoke every Sunday. She spoke about her dreams. I want good job. I want to travel. I want to speak English like my friend Ria. She spoke about bad days. Yesterday I failed an exam. I was sad, but today I feel better. She spoke about happy days. My sister got married. We danced a lot. One day, a new girl came to club. She was very shy, just like old Simran. The girl sat quiet. When her turn came, she could not speak. Simran went near her. She said softly, it's okay, just say one sentence, like this, my name is, and I like. The new girl said, my name is Pooja. I like dogs. Simran clapped loud. Good job, Pooja. That day Simran understood something big. She was not afraid anymore. She was helping others. She was fluent, not perfect, but free. Then the big day came. Job interview. Simran sat in front of 3 people. They asked, tell us about yourself. Simran smiled. She took a deep breath, just like in club. She said, my name is Simran. I am 24 years old. I live in a small town. I finished my college last year. I like reading books and listening to music. I am hardworking and honest. I learn new things fast. Last year I was very shy to speak English, but I joined a speaking club. Every week I practiced. Now I can talk comfortably. I want this job because I want to grow. I want to help your company. I am ready to learn more. The interviewers smiled. One said, very good Simran. We like your honesty. You are selected. Simran could not believe. She called Ria. Ria, I got the job. Ria shouted, I knew it. You did it. Now Simran works in big company. She speaks English every day with boss, with team, with customers. Sometimes she makes small mistakes, but she laughs and says, sorry, let me say again. No shame, only practice. And every Sunday, she still goes to the club. Not because she needs it, but because she wants to help new shy people. She says to them, don't worry, just start with one sentence. One day you will tell your own story. The end. My friend, this is the one story you need. Why? Because fluent speaking comes from starting small, one sentence, practicing every week, not being afraid of mistakes, enjoying the process, helping yourself and others. Now your turn. Challenge for fluency. Do this every day. Listen to this story 3 to 5 times this week. First time, understand. Second time, repeat sentences out loud. Third time, try to say parts without looking. Choose one small part of the story. Example, my name is, and I like. Tell it about yourself. Say it in front of mirror. Record on phone. Listen. Smile. Speak one sentence every day in English. To family, to friend, to yourself. Example, today I feel happy. I ate rice and dal. I want to learn more. In comments, write your own first sentence. My name is, and I like. Share it. I will read and say, good job. You do not need perfect English today. You need to start today. Just like Simran. One sentence, one day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Fluency comes. You are not alone. I am with you. Your club is here. Every story, every listen, every repeat. Thank you for listening this long story. Thank you for wanting to speak. Thank you for being brave. I am so proud of you. Even if you have not spoken yet, you listened. That is the first step. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. Small, slow, but every day. Until next time, say one sentence today. Just one. You got this. Your fluent story starts now. I will see you in the next story. Take care.